If you want to visit a whimsical statue wonderland, welcome to Skopje, the vibrant capital of North Macedonia. A city where the old meets the new and every corner has a story to tell. Today we'll explore Skopje's iconic statues and sculptures, wander through the charming old bazaar, and try out some local food. Skopje is renowned for its statues, a part of the ambitious Skopje 2014 project. The city center is dotted with over 100 monuments, each with its own unique take. One of the most interesting is the Fountain of the Mothers of Macedonia, also called the Fountain of Olympias, which depicts Olympias in the various stages of motherhood, from pregnancy to birth. Other important statues include Alexander the Great on horseback, dominating Macedonia's square, and his father, Philip II of Macedon, who stands at the entrance of the old bazaar. You'll find numerous statues all over the city. It's a fun game to count how many you can find. Now let's step back into time at Skopje's old bazaar, which has been at the center of trade in the city since the 12th century. The old bazaar is a labyrinth of narrow streets, historic buildings, and bustling market stalls. And with that, it plays an important role in Skopje's cultural life. No visit to the old bazaar is complete without sampling some of the local cuisine. Skopje's food scene is a delightful mix of Ottoman, Mediterranean, and Balkan influences. Try tavche gravche, a hearty bean stew, which is usually cooked in a clay pot, or kebabi, which is grilled meat, and it's often or usually served with onions and flatbread. For dessert, try baklava. It's decadent layers of phyllo pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with honey. As the sun sets, Skopje transforms into a city of lights. The illuminated statues and buildings create a magical atmosphere, perfect for a leisurely evening stroll. From its wonderland of statues to its Balkan meets Mediterranean cuisine and its old in a new kind of way aesthetic, Skopje is an interesting place to visit. Happy travels!